Hello everybody, welcome back to Drunken Sailor. We have another Valentine's Day cocktail for you. This one isn't very well known, but I think it's a lot of fun and it's very reminiscent to me of a dive bar kind of a cocktail. So, join me as we make a Pop My Cherry. Let's get pouring. Pretty simple to start with because we're going to build this cocktail in the glass. And if you see the glass has got the red rim on it, what you do with this one is, if you remember the old candy Pop Rocks, so just take a little bit of simple syrup, run that around the edge of your glass, and then rim the glass with the cherry Pop Rocks. So if you can find them, they're awful fun. As I said, we're building this in the glass, so I'm going to start with putting a little bit of ice in the glass. And then we start with our ingredients. Our first ingredient is some freshly squeezed lime juice. Because we know fresh is best, we are going to use 1/2 of an ounce. Next ingredient in there, and what's going to give it the red color, is we're using the Grenadine. Once again, we're using 1/2 of an ounce. Now we're moving on to the big stuff. We're using Cherry Vodka. Today we're using 3 olives. It's cherry. We're putting in there 2 ounces. If you can see, we got that Valentine's Day kind of color going on here. Now I just want to give it a quick stir to mix all those up. And then we put in some more ice. Last ingredient, we're going to top that with some soda. Fill that up with Sprite. We're putting in a straw. And there you go, folks. Pop My Cherry.